2022, things were going really well. I dropped everything and I left again for New York because I thought I found myself first time in New York. Maybe I'll find myself again. This time I was not studying. I didn't have a plan. I was living with one of my cousins. I don't have a spot to stay. Like, I don't have my own space. I don't have art supplies. I don't have anything. I am still at this point sitting in New York getting calls. Okay, are you available for next week? By Mercedes, all of these brands that I had worked with. And that's when I started questioning. I was like, okay, I got up and I left. What was I thinking? Didn't I want to make money? Didn't I do all of this to make money in art? Now that the money is coming to me,
Why don't I want it?
is it not my passion? The answer to that was I fully saturated myself with work. Then I gave zero creative freedom. I had zero creative flow. No juices were flowing at this point. So I think it wasn't about money anymore. It was about if I actually enjoyed what I do or not. If I don't enjoy what I do, it doesn't work long term. I don't think that was happening for me. When I say I got up, I left, I mean like in the span of 2 weeks or 1 week, I booked my tickets and I left. I got cheap tickets also, so that helped. Yes, I had a landing spot. How long can you stay at someone else's house, right? And eventually, in 2 weeks, I started looking for like Facebook houses in New York is shit. So went to Brooklyn, started staying there, found an art studio after a month and a half. Again, was meant to stay for 1 month, ended up staying for 6 months. Yeah, I do that. And why I keep staying for 6 months is because tourist visa पे 6 महीने रह सकते हो. You have to come back after 6 months and then you have to go back. The feeling I have gotten in that break that I took for 6 months is unmatched to the 3 years of business that I was doing. Yes, business was fun. Like, I still was doing what I loved doing, no doubt. But I was not creating. The point was I should be creating. That's where I failed myself. I made it all about money and I forgot my other goals that I had. So I kept thinking, if I feel the most fulfilled when I'm at my most uncomfortable state. Going back to New York, it's very uncomfortable because I didn't have my nice house, I didn't have help, I didn't have a studio, I didn't have business to run. I got so comfortable with my business. I'm not complaining, I'm just like pointing out that if you don't water that plant, there are two plants. One was my business plant, one was my personal creative plant. Business, I kept watering into this plant. This one started drying up. This sort of fueled this one in a way. Fuel to the fire. Even during running a business, you need these creative juices. You need to come up with cool ideas. You need to be, okay, ye activity ab kara li, what can I do next? What can I do next? Until I don't do these experiments, I don't get into my art zone or try new elements, new textures, how will this fuel add to the fire? Anyway, 2017, I went to New York, took a break, work. 2022, got up and I left. For 6 months, my business suffered. My connections in Bombay suffered. Everything that I had created, clientele here. Okay, she does workshops every weekend. We're gonna hit her up. I break the momentum of a business to go live abroad. There's no like opportunity there. There was nothing there. Eventually, I did find a studio, an art studio. Nothing can compare to that experience that I had in that studio. I would paint all day. It was like a dream life I had. I would paint all day, maybe all night sometimes, pass out on the couch in my studio. Yeah, I literally lived the dream life for an artist in New York. I could only afford that because of that business I created. That's true. But now, what do I do after I come back? Sometimes you have to take one step back to jump 3 steps forward. How do I know this? Tried and tested. I went to New York, was a step back. I come back to Bombay. I have another business idea, something I didn't have before, something which is more fulfilling, something which is more permanent, something which is more advanced, more automated. Things that I had zero experience in was to create Hue that I was talking about. Suddenly, I get an idea that I want to create a space that people can just come instead of me going to restaurants, planning it, putting the same effort every week. Won't have to put the same effort every week. I will just have to set up a plan and create and build something more tangible, more of like a space that I wanted Hue to be. So 2023 Bonds Hue by SLA, where, like I said, it's an experiential studio. You come, you paint, you be yourself, you be your creative self. It's been 2 years since Hue started. I can tell you at least 75% of people have entered that studio and said that they feel a great vibe. The vibe was nothing. The vibe was them themselves. But a space like this attracts the kind of people that want that vibe. A vibe is what? It's a reciprocation of what already exists. It's a perception. Because I just created a studio. It's just there. Anybody who comes in art is only about perception. Art just exists. It's just there as a product or as a canvas, a 2D, a 3D, whatever. It's there. How I look at it matters. How another person will look at it matters. That is just a reflection of themselves. The most basic way of explaining how art is perceived. Then Hue started. It's been 2 years since Hue. It's been a month since Hue shut down because it's gone under redevelopment. And again, my creative juices have been drying up. I feel like that art block, it's absolutely nothing but artists in their own head about who they are and how they think they are not good enough. It's not about people. Because that's what I went through. I felt like, okay, now my art is not good. I think I'm doing too much of this. Everyone is doing it now. It's not unique anymore. But it wasn't about that. It was about, am I enjoying it still? Like, if I'm not enjoying it, do better. Do better. So that do better, I stopped. And I think that's what my art block, it's come back. And today we are at 2026. I really hope I get back to art again.